Hi, to connect your Garmin Vivoactive 5 to Strava app, the first step you will need to download this app. You can do it through App Store or Play Store depending on your device. And the app is looking like that. Now let's open it, and first thing we need to do is log into Strava. Here you need to use the same account you are using in this Garmin Connect app. So let me just enter my email and password and get back to you. After we successfully logged in, here you'd see that you need to accept terms of service. So let's tap the accept button, and now you can just go in this U tab. Here tap on your profile icon. Make sure that information about you is correct here, and that's it. Now you're done. Your Garmin is connected and all activity recorded on your Garmin will be automatically uploaded to Strava. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.